Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita Related. Friends, today in this video I gonna give detailed information about what is free app, how you can use the app, how you can get points in free app, so how you can order the products using those points or cash, and what are the problems related to this free app. So I've been using this free app from past 3 months, so I have experience like what are the problems, how you will get points in that. So in this video I thought of sharing with you all. So if you are interested in this video, please do watch till end, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Friends, free app is an app similar to OLX. For example, I have some dresses which I don't need at all. So what I will do is just take a picture of my dress and I'll post it on free app. So I can post that dress for points or for cash also. For rupees also you can do. Basically this free app is made in India. Friends, just think you have posted a dress in free app, and if any buyer like the dress and she purchased that dress with points, what the free app will do is they will send a delivery agent to the seller house and pick the product, and the product will be delivered to the buyer. Guys, by registering in the free app itself, you'll get almost 700 to 1000 free points, and using that free points you can purchase a products from seller. In free app you'll get a products which is of new and it is of second handle also. You just need to choose over there. You'll get new products also and you'll get second handle product also. So guys, I will tell you how you'll get free products in free app. In next clip, I'll show the complete detail how you can register and how you will get points with free app. Now I'll just tell you how you will get a free products from free app. Well, as I said before, while signing itself, you'll get approx 700 to 1000 points for free. Like let us take an example. Like I loved an handbag from any one seller and I wish to buy that handbag, and she posted an image of handbag and she kept as 1000 points for that handbag and 1500 rupees for cash. So what I'll do is, if I had 1500 points, I'll just order the product. So here what will happen is you will get 1500 worth bag with only 1000 points. With that you need to pay only service charge. Service charges will be according to the distance, how long your distance from buyer to the seller. They will take some commission. This free app will take some commission for delivering your product. It might be just 60 to 80. If it is fragile products, then only it will be more than 100, and if it is more than 1 kg, the cost will be more. So for handbags all, it will be just 70, 75 or 80. That's it, maximum. So guys, now let us go to the screen how app works. So guys, first you need to install the free app. So in the page you can see the categories and you can see the products by the seller. Here you can see for women, kids, home, beauty, books, electronics, all categories you can see. So if I go to home, you can see with points plus with rupees. So you can also filter it like for points from how much to how much. You can also filter new products also, unused, and you can see so many products for 1200 etc. by seller. If you also don't need any product, you can just post it off like with points or with cash. So here is my profile. You can see I have 540 points, and here 3 products I have bought, and I posted 4 items. As you can see, 500 points and for rupees also. Since I already signed in, I'll let you know how many points I got. I'll go down I just scroll down and I'll show you. See, as you can see, welcome bonus is 500 plus 500. If I add my profile details, you can see plus 60 and plus 60. If I posted an item, I will get 20 points, 20, 20, 20. So currently I got 700 points for free. While signing up itself, you will get 700 points. With that 700 points, you'll get products. Then if you invite, you'll get plus 20, and if you rate the product you got from the seller, then you'll get plus 10, etc. So friends, with 700 products, you'll get new products which is of unused, and you'll also get second-hand products also. Just you need to pay a service fee. For selling purpose, you just need to tap on sell and you can choose photo in gallery or camera and choose it. Choose the photo. I think at least 4 you need to choose, and just post it and describe whether it is new or old, for how many points you are selling, or it is for cash, like that, and just post it off, guys. Now guys, let us discuss it is genuine. The product we will receive is genuine. So guys, according to my experience, yeah, the products will be genuine. And coming to the refund and replacement, and this refund and replacement policy is quite difficult here, because the refund thing, once you order the product and if you cancel at that time itself, you'll get a refund amount immediately. So I can assure you that. But for example, I have ordered a cup. This is a live thing happened to me. I ordered the cup for 1500 points. I ordered 6 new cups from the seller. And even I paid service charges because it is a fragile. So the product, when I received, I saw that all cups were damaged. So I reported to the free up app. There is no customer service call, only you need to message them. There is no call to the free up app. That is the worst part. And when I messaged them, they said you need to make a video of the damaged cups with the label, something big thing they said. Somehow I managed to make a video and I sent to the I mailed to them. I messaged, they said you should not message here, you should mail to free up. So I even mailed, but after mailing, the damaged cup video is not accepted because it is not done properly, that this and they said like we cannot help with this, so you can talk with your seller itself directly and you can make your adjustment over there. But I think this is not a good idea, because just think in Flipkart or Amazon, if it is like broken or damaged, it could be done as soon as possible. But here the case was entirely different. They said like no, you need to do that and this. So coming to my next problem which I faced from free up app, I ordered nearly 3 products from free up app. The first product they not even delivered. The delivery agent then not even delivered to me, and they just marked me as it is delivered. Simply they marked me as delivered. And again I purchased a product from free up app. There also the just marked as delivered, and they not even delivered my product. If I go to the customer support and if I ask with them, just say you need to wait for 10 days, such that will come back with you. If it doesn't work, then only we can refund you. But as I said you before, this refund process is so long. Guys, I can just say, even though you'll get good products from seller, but the delivery system is not at all good. Even though they will take service fees also of 80 to 100, even though they take service fees also, they will not deliver products properly. For example, as I said you, I ordered 6 cups, but entire 6 cups were damaged, and even I paid service fee because it is fragile and the amount is utterly waste. They said you should do that, you should do this, the video is not correct, like this, and no proper response from customer service. So I didn't like the refund or this delivery system at all. Coming to getting a points from free app, you will get easily points from free app. If you post any products which you doesn't need, then you will get 20 to 50 points for free. Like that you can make points more, but with 1500 you can purchase many products. You will get many new products also, because new seller will be selling their new products also. So just you need to be careful in this delivery or refund process. So guys, if you have any queries related to free app, please ping me on my comment section. I'm super fast at replying all of your comments. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.